safe is locked and the dial is locked. We've got the keys here. It just pops in, turns clockwise 1 revolution, that releases the dial, and then we go round anti-clockwise 5 times to 50. So that's the first, that's the second, that's the third, carry on round, fourth, and this time we stop exactly on 50, going left or anti-clockwise, and this is the 5th time we've got there. And reverse direction, so we're going clockwise. Should feel it change around about the 5 mark. We're actually pulling the bolt back. It comes to a dead stop there, just sort of 94. At that point, we can turn the handle and open the safe. When we're finished, turn the handle back and then turn the dial a few times to mix the wheels up. And if we get to 0 point there, we'll be able to put this key in and lock that dial in place, and it's all secure.